Welcome. Today we'll solve the equation cosine theta equals square root of 2 over 2, finding all values of theta between 0 and 2 pi. Let's write out our equation and understand what it means. To solve this, let's visualize it using the unit circle. Remember, the cosine of an angle represents the x-coordinate of a point on the unit circle. When cosine theta equals square root of 2 over 2, we're looking for points where the x-coordinate is square root of 2 over 2. Let's find our first solution. When we move counterclockwise from the positive x-axis, we hit our first point at 45 degrees, or pi over 4 radians. At this point, both x and y coordinates are square root of 2 over 2. For our second solution, we continue around until we find another point with the same x-coordinate. This occurs at 7 pi over 4 radians, or 315 degrees. Notice this point has the same x-coordinate but opposite y-coordinate from our first solution. These are all the solutions in our range, from 0 to 2 pi. Why? Because the cosine function repeats every 2 pi radians, and within each period, there are exactly two angles that give us the same cosine value, one in the first quadrant and one in the fourth quadrant. Therefore, the complete solution set for cosine theta equals square root of 2 over 2, where theta is between 0 and 2 pi, is theta equals pi over 4, or 7 pi over 4 radians. Remember, when solving trigonometric equations, the unit circle is a powerful tool that helps us visualize all possible solutions.